Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by protecting your data and confirming the exact Samsung model because batteries differ between models. Once done, buy an OEM replacement to avoid voltage mismatch. Make sure the phone is around 30% charged and powered off to reduce short risk, and set up a clean, well-lit workspace with anti-static precautions. Now organize tools: small Phillips and tri-point drivers, plastic picks, a suction cup, and adhesive strips. Begin by removing the SIM tray so you can access the back safely. Now you open the phone, apply gentle heat to loosen the rear adhesive, and use a suction cup and plastic picks to lift the glass without cracking it. Patience here prevents costly damage. Once inside, identify and unscrew the midframe or shielding screws, then disconnect the battery connector before applying any leverage to the cell. Pull the OEM adhesive tabs slowly and evenly. If they resist, reheat briefly. Removing the old battery cleanly prevents punctures that could short the board or cause swelling. Place the new OEM battery in the tray, align connectors, and reconnect the battery cable before reassembling shields and screws. Boot the phone to confirm it powers and accepts charge, because proper connection is the most common failure point. Once verified, apply fresh adhesive strips and reseal the back glass with even pressure to prevent gaps. Finally, calibrate by charging fully and then using the phone to drain to around 10% once. If the phone won't boot or charge, reseat the connector and check for bent pins or leftover adhesive.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.